gun! Give me the freaking gun! What the heck? I can't pick it up! Merry Christmas to you too! Let's go to Fortnite Funny 85's house! Because there's a surprise for you! Merry Christmas!
Happy birthday!
What?
Nugget.
Anyways, are you guys ready to open some presents?
Yeah!
Let's go open some presents! Wait a minute. Where are all the presents?
Presents? Oh, yeah. I forgot to put them under the tree.
Bruh.
Oh man, what?
So where did you put them?
I hid them around the map because I thought it was Easter.
Ramon.
Oh, come on.
Well, I guess the presents will be delayed. Gamer, will you help us find the presents? They should be hidden around the map. Welcome back. Did you find any presents?
Something else.
What? Hey! It's the evil gifter.
Wait, you know this guy?
Well,
What the heck is that?
oh no! They are taking our friends! Hey, player! Are you okay there? What the heck happened? Oh well, whatever the case, we need to get out of here! Hey, I have a plan! How about we keep pushing this cage until we get out of here? Let's do it together! Ready? Let's go! Out. It's not working. Don't worry, I'll help you out. Okay, just help me push to that direction. 3, 2, 1, go! You okay? Come on, let's get out of here. We still need to find our friends. I'll follow you. Lead the way. Don't worry, I'll be fast this time. What the heck is this place? Well, this is interesting. What even are those things? So weird. Whoa! You found a gift? That's good! At least we have something for our friends! Bro left me. Bro left me. Can we reach the doorknob? Wait, I'll help you. Try hopping on my head. We did it. Look at this place. Hey, look. Another door. Let's do the same thing, player. Come on, hop on my head. Ah, dang. It's locked. How about over there? A vent. Come follow me. Come up on my head. You might be able to open the door for me. What happened? It's blocked by something? Let me have a look. I might be able to push it. Come boost me up. I made it. Okay, stay right here. I'll be back. Hey! Hey, player. Over here. I'll go open the door if I can. Player, I did it. Let's go. Okay. Weird room. Cool, another gift. Let's keep it for later. Does this ever end? Like, what does this gifter bro even need these rooms for? This must be a storage room. I wish I had a tool that's strong enough to break these crates. Bro left me. Oh yes, that's free gifts. Whoa. What the heck is that? Hey, over there! I'll help you up. Don't worry about the monster, just try to Hey, monster! Over here! You can't get me! Do you want free chicken nuggets? Hey, do you even Yes! Get in, player! Nice! Good job, player. That was awesome! Let's proceed. I really hope our friends are okay. Bro left me. Bro left me. Realistically speaking, how sure are we that we won't just get stuck forever in these vents? Or just the fact that it could just not lead anywhere useful? Just saying.
Damn.
Oh no!
I
There's our friends!
really stuck.
We need to find a way to get them out quick!
It sucks.
This big.
Okay, guys, we
big
need to break
wait.
out of here.
Yeah,
Does
there's
he
sound
speak
here.
English or,
Nah.
or Spanish?
Ew. What do we do if we need to pee?
Wait, where is he going?
Oh, where is he going?
Get
Oh,
back
he's
here!
leaving. Get back here. Alright, well he's gone. I guess we're actually like
Aw.
stuck here forever. Well, what do you guys want to do?
I don't have my chicken nugget.
Chewing on the bars.
Whoa! Careful! Don't fall! Wait, we need a plan. Okay, wait. The plan is you will distract the monster, and just run around in circles or something. Then while you do that, I'll hit it with a pipe. Sounds good? Can you give me the pipe? Okay, thanks. You go distract the monster now. I'll go down after you. Come here, you monster. I'm gonna get you. Come back here. Get off my friend. Phew. We did it. Oh yeah, and you can have your pipe back. Okay, now let's get out of here. Whoa,
Carl!
groovy. How did you escape?
I was able to sneak out while the creepy guy left. I saw you guys at the vent, but I didn't want to say anything first.
Wow.
So I came all the way here to help you. Anyways, we gotta go save our friends.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Wait, how do we get out of this room?
Don't worry. Me and Player got a teamwork strategy.
Okay,
Come on, Player, let's open the door. Hop on.
oh,
It's not opening. Can you try pulling it? Dang, we're too small to be pulling it.
hey, how about I help you two get to the other side? Then you guys open the door for me.
Okay, nice. Let's open the door for Groovy. Epic.
Sheesh! Let's go save our friends now.
Yeah! Guys, we're here to save you.
I see players.
Let's go
we're
save
here.
them, guys!
Yeah!
Help us. Help
I'm gonna
us.
help. Yeah! Finally!
Yeah! Are you guys okay?
Finally!
Yeah.
We've been stuck here
Yeah.
for 100 years.
1 month.
Dang,
for one year and 9
1
months.
year, 9 months.
1 year
yeah.
and year, 9
Yeah.
months.
that's long.
No, maybe the real cage was the friends you made along the way.
Wow.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. You know what? You know
We've
what?
been there for like 1 year and 9 months.
I'd hug the cage because that's the real friend that I made along the way.
What?
Yeah.
Well, that was epic.
Well, let's get out of here.
Yep. Well, I'm glad
Yep.
you
Let's get
guys
out of
are
here.
okay. Yep. Well, of
Yep.
course you would be okay. We're just playing,
Uh,
aren't we?
Hey!
It's a big man.
Hey!
Ah!
What the heck? Oh no!
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Everyone, grab yourself a mine paper. Movie now, let's go.
You player, wait. Kill the gifter boss while we handle the minions. Got it. Let's go.
This is epic.
I got this. I got it.
Okay.
Okay. Take that,
I
you
can
evil
tell
gifter.
I don't know.
Take that.
Good job, player. Thank you for spotting.
I feel good. Yes. I got this.
Come on,
I got this.
Take that. There's too many of them. I got this, boy. I killed one. Yes. So guys, we're doing good. We're doing one shot.
Take that, you evil gifter. Take that. Yes. This is so tense. No. I got this. I killed it. Okay. Take that. I killed you. Yes. I got them. I got this. I killed you. Yes. Oh no. I got this. Good job, guys.
Like the Titanic on my shirt. Yeah. Now that's something. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Well, guys, I'm glad we're back home.
I'm glad we're back too, Kyle. Epic. That was
I can't believe we actually did that. I can't
yeah,
believe
dude.
we
I was
actually survived.
that cage was like smelly, dude.
It was like it was musky in there.
We almost got tetanus.
There are no free chicken nuggets.
Yep, no free chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
Well,
I can't wait to go to the Tango Mango shop.
I can't wait to go back to sleeping under the tree.
Oh yeah.
What?
Well done, guys. Me and Player got something for you guys.
Whoa, really?
Oh.
Well, sadly not for all of you guys. Sorry, we didn't find enough gifts for everyone.
Oh.
Oh,
Well, that's okay, I guess.
That's okay.
You can take it.
Yeah.
What?
Hey, come on, don't cry. Let him get the gifts.
Fortnite funny. So we were able to find some presents for some of you guys.
Yeah.
Cool.
Hey,
Oh, I'm cool.
yeah.
I'm cool with it. You know?
I'm cool with it.
Even if I don't get the gift, it's
Cool.
fine.
I mean, it's alright. Like,
Okay, I'll be giving out the gifts.
Yeah.
yeah.
I was hoping for nuggets.
Well, Fortnite is better.
A pickle. Oh. Well,
Oh,
gifts are
Well, that
Yep.
sucks.
I was hoping for nuggets.
This.
Yeah,
No, Fortnite's
this
better.
gift-
I don't like
this gift
it.
is kind of bad.
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, guys. Those were the only presents that we could find.
It's
Well,
okay. It's no big
it's
deal.
okay.
You know.
Yeah, like, it's a thought that counts,
At
right?
least you got us out of the cave. Well, I'm glad the things worked out, guys.
Yeah.
You know, at least we are out of the cage,
At least.
and we're here now.
It's your life.
Thanks to the player.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, player.
the player.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. And player. Me and the rest of the groovy gang got a gift for you. It's for being a hero and saving all of us. We couldn't have done it without you. Check it out.
Yeah.
Well, player, we hope you like it. Sincerely, the Groovy Gang.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Oh my god.
You are the best.
Congratulations,
Yeah.
player.
Yep. Yup, bro. Yup.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm glad we all made it out in one piece.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Dude.
Yay!
Yeah.
That's really good.
Yeah, I
at
can't
least, you
believe
know.
we survived.
Yep.
I think this day is the best.
Oh.
Epic.
I mean, it's alright.
Yeah.
I love you guys.
Yeah. Yeah. This is the best Christmas. And yeah, you know, even if there's no presents, as long as we have each other, you know.
True.
Hug.
Yeah,
Yeah.
virtual group hug.
Hugs. That really does make me appreciate all of you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me too.
I appreciate you too, Carl and player. And you know what? Really, all I can say now is that I'm really glad that I met you. So just come sing with us together. We can make this year far better. I'm really glad that I met you. I'm just really glad that